Go to your room.
Go get the mail.
Go into your room.
You can put something on and go get the mail.
I'm gonna go to your room.
Put that light on.
You can leave.
Put that light on. You got all them hangers in there. Hang up the
No,
stuff.
There's really nothing in hangers.
Well, hang up the stuff on the hangers.
Because I had stuff hanging on them, that's why they're...
I'm not kidding. Hang it up.
Alright! Dang.
Get to Kohl's for big names and even bigger savings. And save even more when you shop late Friday and early Saturday. Plus, get an extra 20% off with your friends and family pack. Find your yes. Kohl's.
He's hanging up on himself.
You could just totally go outside and get the trash and mail.
Okay, go on.
Undecided is not amazing.
I have something more important come up.
I didn't fit in at that big.
You see the bottom of that closet in there?
No.
Turn around and look at
This
it.
time, I know how important it is.
That's where the shoes belong.
That's the old one right there.
I'm gonna finish fast and finally get started on my career.
Tis the season to be merry, which is why at Boot Barn you'll find the types of gifts that bring a smile to kids.
Let me see your shirt you bought.
Like
Where
a
is
great
it?
selection of men's and women's
Closet.
items from Ariat, as well as Ariat jeans, shirts, jackets, and more. Because this is the time of year when wishes should always come true, and our wish is to help make sure yours do. Merry Christmas from your friends at Boot Barn.
We're giving everything up to save my marriage and...
What you gonna wear bowling in there?
Here now.
Tuesday at 10 on TLC. Tuesday, December 2nd, even couple returns.
It's nice to get back to this crazy normal.
Just as life gets crazy good.
It's white, but you didn't tell me that. Polka dots on it. It's different. How come you like this?
It looks nice.
Huh?
I thought it looked nice.
And they told you to keep it?
Yeah.
How'd they tell you to keep it? You emailed them or you called them?
You know what? Or like I said on their website, on the app, they say you can keep the shirt and we'll send you your money back.
It's small.
Yep. Da-da-da-da-da, she's crazy, she is crazy. She is crazy. No. Why would I?